In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see who logged into your Instagram account. You can simply see someone who logged into your Instagram and log them out as well. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On my profile page, tap on the three lines on your upper right corner of the screen. Then head into your setting. On the settings page, scroll onto the option of security. On this page, select the second option of login activity. Right here you will see where you're logged in. If someone logged in and logged out, they will still have to appear right here on this page. You can only log them out whenever they get active, as you can see this activity indicator right here. Then if it's not you, just tap on these three dots and select the option of logout, and they will get logged out from your Instagram account immediately. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.